Welcome to the tip of the day. I'm Cesar Augustus.
And I'm Ted Ings for CPI. Today's tip, paper or scanning? You decide. Did you know that an often overlooked and time-consuming task performed at your dealership can be easily and efficiently optimized?
We're talking about your paper filing system in your service and accounting departments. Physically filing paper repair orders or deal jackets costs time, lots of money, and takes up unnecessary amount of space.
Finding an archived repair order can take 15 minutes or countless hours. Service advisors should be focused on revenue-producing tasks, not searching for documents.
Dealer Scanning provides a simple-to-use scanning unit that allows your dealership staff, in most cases your receptionist or cashiers, to scan repair orders, deal jackets, and other dealer documents during their downtime.
By substituting paper filing with digital document scanning, your staff can recall documents in seconds.
Document scanning is one simple way that frees your staff from the time-consuming, archaic filing process and optimizes the task, saving time, money, and lots of space.
And that's the tip of the day. CPI and Cesar Augustus work together to provide a seamless, paperless experience. Call us today at 212-763-0016 to discover how we can help. Thanks for watching.